Okay, students, the next concept in that arithmetic progression is to be sum of first n terms of an AP. Sum of first n terms of an AP. Okay, so the formula to that Sn is equal to Sn. What do you pronounce as that? Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Okay, where n is equal to number of terms, a is equal to first term, and d is equal to common difference. Okay, so this is the formula to find the sum of the first n terms of an AP. For example, this is AP, all the natural numbers are in AP, already we know that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and so on are to be there. So all these list of numbers are in AP. Okay, sum of the first three numbers, by adding these three numbers we are getting the result is to be 6. Okay, by adding these four numbers we are getting the result is to be 10. Okay, so how can you add? Means 1 plus 2 plus 3. So 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4, 10. So the next, by adding sum of these 5 numbers, the result is to be 15. Sum of these 10 numbers is the result is to be, so then automatically 1 plus 2 is equal to 3, 3 plus 3 is equal to 6, 6 plus 4, 10, 10 plus 5, 15, 15 plus 6, 21. Like that, the result is to be 55. 55. So here the list of numbers are to be very small. Instead of that, we are having the very large numbers, so it is not a way to find the sum of those numbers. Okay, so to do the process very fastly and very accurate by using this formula, Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So for example, these are the 10 numbers which are in AP. Okay, so to find the sum of these 10 numbers by applying this formula, it is possible. Look at this. Sn Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So here n is that how many number of terms we are adding here. How many number of terms are adding here, that is to be n. So means S10, sum of 10 terms. It's in place of prefix. Okay, so the next S10. Okay, so n by 2, how many are terms are to be added here? 10. So 10 by 2. So 2, a means it is the first term here. What is the first term in the problem? 1 plus n, again 10 terms are to be added. 10 minus 1 means it is to be 10 minus 1. Then d, what is d means? Common difference. In the problem, common difference. What is the common difference? 2 minus 1, 1 only. Okay, so then 1. So 2 ones are 2 5s are 5. 2 ones are 2. 10 minus 1, 9. 9 ones are 9. Okay, 9 2 plus 9 plus 2, 11. 11 5s are 55. There is a sum of first 10 terms of an AP, that is equal to 55. This is the formula to find the sum of first n terms of an AP. So not only 10 terms, 100 terms, 200 terms, whatever it is, this is the formula. So instead of that formula, we can use the one more formula, that is to be Sn is equal to n by 2 into a plus an. An means it is a nth term of an AP. Some more cases, the nth term is also to be called as a general term and last term. Last term is to be denoted by AL. Last term is to be denoted by L. So the meaning of the thing, one more formula to that is to be Sn is equal to n by 2 into A plus L. Okay, so to find the sum of first these 10 numbers, we can apply this formula. In this formula, the result is to be 55. We can apply this formula. What is the result we can observe here? So n means number of terms 10 only. N means 10 by 2. A, what is that? A, first term, 1 in that problem. What is the L? L means last term. What is the last term in the problem? 10. So means it is to be 2 ones are 2 5s are 5. 1 plus 10, 11. 11 5s are 55. In both cases, we are getting the result is to be same. Both cases, we are getting the result is to be same. Okay, so these are the two formulas to find the sum of the first n terms of an AP. Sn is equal to n by 2 into sum of first n terms of an AP. Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d, where n is equal to number of terms, a is equal to first term, d is equal to common difference. Other than that, we can use the one more formula, that is Sn is equal to n by 2 into a plus an. That is also to be equal to n by 2 into a plus l. we can write either this or this. If we know the last term of an AP, we can apply this formula. Okay, if we don't know the last term of an AP, then automatically we can apply this formula only. Now in the previous example, we know the last term. Okay, in this situation, you can find that either this, you can find the sum of the 10 terms of an AP by applying this formula, either this formula or this formula. So other than that, so and so on, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 and so on 100. So that means 100 is a which term we don't know. So generally we know this. Okay, 100 is a which term. For example, we are taking the one more problem, 2 5 8 11 14 like that and so on and so on. So infinite number of terms. To find the sum of first 20 terms in that arithmetic progression, find the sum of first 20 terms in that arithmetic progression, not the 20 terms in that arithmetic progression. 2 5 is the first term, is the second term, it is the third term. What is the third term? 8. Fourth term 11, fifth term 14. In such a way 20th term we don't know. So then you may find the sum of first 20 terms of an AP. The meaning of the 20th term we don't know in the situation. 20th term we don't know in the situation. Then automatically we can apply this formula only. We can apply this formula only. If we know the 20th term, then automatically you can apply either this or this. Okay, in which situation we can apply the second formula? This both are to be same now. Okay, instead of that an you can add the l only. Okay, in which situation we can apply this formula? If we know the last term in that arithmetic progression, then we can find this formula. Okay, so otherwise you can use this formula. Okay, so the next, so Sn is equal to n by 2 into a plus a, and Sn is equal to n by 2 into a plus n. N is equal to a number of terms, a is equal to first term, an is last term. That is also to be denoted by the letter L. Okay, so and one more point. So the nth term of an arithmetic progression, what is that? Nth term of an arithmetic progression is the difference of the sum of first n terms, sum of first n terms, and the sum of first n minus 1 terms of it. N minus 1 terms of it. Nth term of an arithmetic progression is the difference of the sum of first n terms and the sum of first n minus 1 terms of it. That is an is equal to n means nth term. That is equal to Sn means sum of n terms. So from that we subtract the sum of n minus 1 terms. Then automatically we are getting the an in the problem also. Okay. So for example, they are giving like this: 2, 5, 8, 11, 14 and so on. So in the situation, just to find the 20th term, there is a question. Then automatically 20th term is a20 is equal to a plus 19d. A plus 19d. So a first term, d is the common difference. Instead of that, we can use the one more formula, that is to be a20 is equal to s20 minus s19. s20 minus s19. a20 is equal to s20 minus s19. s20 means sum of first 20 terms. In that arithmetic progression, if we know the sum of 20 terms and sum of 19 terms, by subtracting those we are getting the 20th term. S20 minus S19. Okay, S20 minus S19, that is a 20th term. For example, a 40th term you can find out for this arithmetic progression, then automatically you can apply the formula S40 minus S39. S40 minus S39. So this is the way. Okay, so for this formula, an is equal to Sn minus 1. Okay, by applying these three formulas we can do the next examples. Okay.